wow, you were hoping for a retest of that and then long into the high. That's yeah, it's a nice setup. It's just I don't know if it's gonna get
Okay, now I'm off mute. Jumped in on that short. If it gets through this fair value gap, I'll hold it. If not, I'm gonna get out. Maybe. Morning, Chef. Morning, tea. $15-minute wick, maybe. That holds for good. For more easy downside. TMB. Gaps. Like. I'll make it quick so you can catch him. You can fade it. Oh, he's on now. I just got a notification. TMB, you're playing the 15-second. Come on. Be right back. I'm gonna grab a coffee. That's why I jumped on with the K8tor. I figured it was going to be chopped for a while. I actually think the back testing is more fun to watch because we fly through the signals. I'm also looking for my model to appear as well. But this open here, I was like, oh, this is just... Look at the open, it's all junk. Oh yeah, that's a tough one right now, huh? I have tried to find TV on in the background during a long. I think they're about to get smoked. I want to go through here. Is that... No, that's not really the first presented, is it? No, there's one here. First presenter's right there. On the 4. TMB, I can't believe you traded the 15-second with it. What do you traded on the 15-second? Swept liquidity here and bounce back up. This fair value gap here. Such bad action. Can't get that follow through this fair value gap, as you see. It might want upside. The cut through here is coming down to this. Maybe this. Caps, I don't know if you saw my post in the Discord. The weekly retracement, 30% retracement. So like the 786 actually hits right on the new day opening gap, which is right here. Yesterday's close. I find that too incidental. I have the chart on another page too, so I can see if there's any more signals, but I just wanted to go through here and see. Look where that lands. It's crazy. And almost 50% is here on Wednesdays. I think that's Wednesdays. I didn't delete it. Oh, weird. Still chopping. That's a great morning, Caps, isn't it? Is music running in the background? Can you guys hear the music? Sweet. Okay. I was joking with my wife yesterday because I've never listened through the whole music that I play on here. It's just some free, royalty-free music from YouTube. So we could be swearing this whole time and saying racist shit, and I would never know. I've never listened to it. There we go. There's the movement. It's a really good move. This is 1 mini. I'm at 1 micro. Hundred ticks. Come on. You inverted it. Let's go. I'm gonna put a tape profit right here.
Order submitted.
You guys know my basic rule, or maybe but you don't, but T might. If I'm in one contract and it gets to 100, I close it. Because that's a gigantic move to get $100 with one micro. Yeah, see, I've been hearing that gold has been sweet this week. I should have been looking at it for sure. I've never traded gold though. I should have just been watching the action. I'll go back and replay it, I guess. This is a banger trade. How many more minutes to this 15? Oh, it just opened. I might take it here. This is a resistance area. I'll be happy with the 68, 70 bucks. See if she wants to keep going though. Right here wants to get below this, don't you? It did a little. It got rejected.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it off there. There we go. About 70 bucks on that. We can take a look. I don't care if you guys see my number or not. Up 67 on that trade. I know it just flashed, but I took it anyway. This was my full target here. We'll take a watch and see if it goes down there. Cost myself a little bit by not waiting for the candle, but I'd rather do that than have it come back up. It's kind of a risk reward thing. How do I think it's going to come down 1-to-1, or do I think it's going to keep going 2-to-1? It's really just a trader feel at that point. I got out about where. Actually, let's see. Yeah, a little worse. A little worse. I did a little worse than where it would have. So pretty good. Awesome, Chef. Did you get out a profit? You were on the 5, right? That was some major DCAing on the 5. Keep hearing freaking. I have, like I said, I have Certified TV in the back. They're all looking for longs. That was NQ, not was it? That was NQ that you took that on, right? Not MNQ. They were minis. Oh, that was MN. You're down 2KO with MNQ on the 15. Okay. In my mind, like the larger time frames, you need more drawdown to survive, right? So the higher the time frame, the more you need, because you're talking about a move. Yeah, 400 ticks. Whereas the 1 minute. Oh, come on, Trading View. Trading View just froze on me. Just MNQ. There we go. Yeah, 5 minute. I think you need a bigger drawdown. So you need bigger accounts to play the longer time frames. The shorter time frames, right? You can get out. You're gonna add 4 times here, but that movement's smaller than 4 ads on the 5 or the 15. So if you like you're DCAing here, you're out profit. That's definitely a profit. I went back and back tested this one this morning, and this came out in profit. It's kind of how I back test. I turn on the indicator, and then this will probably be another one I'll back test. It's hard though. This is 4 o'clock in the morning, so it's not a very big move. I might have back tested this one. I'll have to go back and check. And then I'll look for like 4 in a row or more and see if it comes out in profit. Like here, see if that comes out in profit. Oh, definitely, we'll test this one. And then see how much of a drawdown it is. Like everything else, it's a tool. Use it as a tool. Nothing's 100%. I'm curious about what happens if I start just hitting the reverse button on this instead of closing out. Maybe not the reverse button if I have like 5 contracts in, but like close it out and re-enter. Oh, you have a 300,000 count. Yeah, you have plenty of drawdown. Also, with the higher time frames on the NQ, you don't want to get stuck in a trade, right? How long were you in this trade for? That's the wrong, like this, I think. No, you're not doing it. Since 420, that's fine. And you got out. So you're in 5 hours, right, in that trade. You don't want to get trapped in a trade 5 hours. Say you get in at 12, right? You're not going to have enough time to get out of that trade by the time the market closes. Bitcoin, you can weather it because it's 24/7, but with the NQ, you have a hard stop at 5. So these higher time frames take longer time to play out just by default, right? Because they always do. Than the 1 minute. That's why I stick with the 1 minute. Is because a lot of the times where I'm only in the trade for an hour, right? Maybe, yeah, but an hour. This was a long 1.5 hours on this one, right? This trade I was just in was, half an hour. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I just don't want to see you get caught in a trade and you're in drawdown and you're getting close to like you're at 3 o'clock and you're still in drawdown and you're like shit. Is this an idiot box here? Still have that gap down here. Didn't even come close to it yet, but it's been leaving the gaps. I'm glad I'm not trading this right now. Oh, the most? On this account, you know what? I don't know. But what I've been doing is I've been going back and seeing when there's a large stretch of ads like this one, and I'll do a replay, right, and then have a print and see if it comes out in profit. I mean, I can do this one right now while we're waiting. I have another screen open so I can see if we do. This is just replay. This is now replay. Just so everyone knows, this is replay. I repeat, it is replay. Let's go through and replay this real quick. Oh, it's a 2 minute. Should want to be on 1 minute. Oh, do we have a signal? Shit. Hold on, we'll replay that later. I'm gonna wait for the candle to close in 2 seconds.
Order filled.
I tend to have a bearish bias. I think the daily's in, the daily top is in. Because it took out yesterday's high. Yeah, I can switch to the Bitcoin. Replay on Bitcoin is hard though, because they don't have the same kind of they still do contracts rather than percentages of instead of percentages of your portfolio. I think go back. I think maybe 5 was the most I've had on the 1 minute when I was trading personally. I think 5 ads. No, especially when you're on micros. Like, if I remember correctly, like some of the largest drawdown I've had is 200. That's why I think it was about 5 micros that I'd add. This is rollover week, so the price actually is a little more wiki than normal. Look at all these wicks, right? Some people still won't know. I think actually today was the last day. I think you had to switch over today. But lately it's been just, this week's been wiki. Yeah, that's a good idea. As you guys know, I take an extremely conservative approach to my trading in general. So that's why I do micros and for the 50Ks. I don't want to see my drawdown on a 50K be more than $200, $300. If I do that, if I get up that high, I get a little nervous at that point. Yeah, what T said, getting the 15-minute confirmation. See, we want short. And personally, I think the high of the day might be in. We've had good range. We took out yesterday's high. Yeah, we did. Then we have that weekly retracement. The 30% retracement of the weekly would be here-ish. Oh, dollar taking it. I am fighting the urge though to not use 2 contracts on each of these because it's an eval. just to try to blow through it. Dump it. Might be the high of the 5 minute. Yeah, exactly, Peter. Like if I was doing minis, that's $230 trade already. And to be honest, sometimes I'm sad that I don't get to add because these moves are just one contract. I wish I had to like add 3 times now, dumps. Exactly, Peter. That's what I was talking with T about was like master leveraging. Using the MNQ is kind of hard, but the easiest way you can do it is with a micro. So you can DCA in or build into a trade. And then with Bitcoin, I've been using 1% of my portfolio per trade and per ad. I have very limited time on Bitcoin though. I changed exchanges. I got it off MEXC because it's garbage, and the fees are somehow got completely bullshit.
Order filled.
Okay, another little win. It all add up. Yeah, it went to whatever KCX. Yeah, right, chef. No, I have a $100 account that I'm burning. See, this is the one where I wish I'd waited for confirmation. I hit on the flash. Still, a win's a win, right? Oh, now it's just crashing. I shouldn't have sold on the flash. But that's my rule, is to sell on the flash. That might change if it keeps doing stuff like this. I can't complain about money though, right? Oh, you're running a funded. To be honest, I should be copy trading this across some other evals I have going. My plan is to run this to a funded. Actually, I have to go back and check to see if I have any fundeds left on Tradeify. It might be maxed out. I should have thought of that before this. Oops. Okay, so what I'll do is I will run this. If I don't have any more funded, I think I have the max funded on Tradeify. If I hit that max, I'll just use one of the ones I haven't used as... If this passes, I'll just use one of the ones I already have that I haven't touched yet. And take that And then if this one passes, I might YOLO another fucking funded account. That's what y'all should be doing too. Get funded, get eval to a funded, get a payout, reserve a portion of that to pay whatever, well, first off, pay yourself whatever it took to get that eval. If you spent $300 trying to get that, to get that payout, pay yourself that $300 back, pay whatever credit card you put it on, get that taken care of. Then with what's left, take a portion of that and either buy a straight to funded, or if you think you still need more time, buy another eval and pass that, and just keep on compounding evals over and over again. And then I'll show you all how to copy trade those. And that's how you really game the prop system. And then that's how you really refine your edge while compounding and snowballing the profits. And then once you get maxed out on that, go to Trade or something, open up a self-funded, a small one, and then start like I'm trading micros on mine. I have small accounts. I have several small accounts that I copy trade micros on, right? And that adds up. You just spread the risk out like you would with your prop accounts. It's all part of the journey. Just make sure that you pay off whatever it took to get there. That's first and foremost. Don't go negative. But yeah, this buy signal I'm not taking because I'm counting this as here. I'm waiting for the next signal to come in. This buy signal was awesome. That was way better than what I took. It was another 20-ish bucks. Pickle, depends what you mean by liquidity moves. You mean like the big ass spikes? Yeah. They're few and far between. Usually they're connected to a Trump tweet where you'll see like a flash, like say he tweeted something positive right now, like I'm ending all tariffs, and it could wake up here. Or news related, like oh crap, Israel just bombed Iran. It would wake down fast. Or maybe those are too big of catalysts, but little negative news can spike throughout the day, but nothing major. Okay, I have an eye on this chart. Chef wanted to see Bitcoin on the 15-minute. Chef, are you still here? Pickle, you saw in the group, I'll go over and help everybody with that. Maybe not this weekend, but some Saturday. Most likely middle of the morning, East Coast time. I think that will be. Yeah, it is flashing buys. You would have got out in profit here though, just by looking at it. Oh, Pickle, you'll get yourself straightened. No, this one's flashing buys here. See here, right? If you bought here, I was flashing buy on MQ. If you bought here, you could have always exited too, right? There's a nice little gap right there, actually, that you could exit it on. For instance, like that first trade, I took profit. This first trade, I took profit here, right? I took profit at a level I thought it would have trouble at. It's just a tool, right? This one you would have been profit too, so I think you'd have been profit period because you were buying it lower than you're selling, but way lower, but a little bit higher. That would have dragged it up a little bit, and but lower that would have dropped it down. Then you would have sold. You would have been profit on this one. See how this one works out.
Order filled.
Oh, that's a horrible fail. Why did Phil move there? But anyway. Yeah, this is about compounding gains. Took all this liquidity. This is not. I think we got in on a soup. I'm not a soup trader though, so I don't know. This is the 15-minute candles here. Took out this liquidity. Bounced up. What I'm wanting to see is this level taken out. This looks like a lot of resistance through here though. We're gonna have to get through that and then this fair value gap. So see what I'm doing is I'm looking for places that I might want to exit naturally, or like the safe exits. If it has a hard time getting above this, I'll grab it. If it gets through here and has a hard time through that, I'll grab it, but it could blast all the way through here. But what would it have to do if it wants to blast through here? It'd have to run this, and this has been run twice. Ran down, and it ran up, ran down. Is it gonna? We're gonna keep on railroading this 15-minute. That is the ITC HTF candles by Fatty. It's right here. You can write that down. I knew it was going to have troubles right before there. Come on, push it. Then you can set it up for whatever time frame. I imagine. Okay. Don't you do that? This one. You're welcome. So the fractal model, I get my bias off the 15. This is actually perfect. This would probably be a long that I would definitely be looking for because that's a protected low right there, most likely. If we can get above here, that's a protected low. It looks like it wants reverse, but it's having some massive difficulty. Like I said, I'd have to run this whole thing again, right? So with my with my system, I'm looking for swing lows or swing highs off of the 15 and then run with the 15. Here we go. That was nice. Look at this. Let's go. Let's go. Not expecting that. Wow. I might just freaking take this so it doesn't pull me all the way back. I don't round trip it. Pump it. I'm going to put, in case we wake all the way up here.
Order submitted.
Oh yeah, I made another protected low right here too. That would probably be the 5 minute, yep. But I am probably taking this anyways, because it's just starting to barcode. Go. See, I just like the book wins.
Order
Take it
filled.
here. I'm probably going to miss out. It's going to make a windmill pattern. I call it a windmill pattern, where it's like in this case, maybe a green candle sandwiched, 2 green candles sandwiching a red candle. So if it windmills, it goes just basically like straight up here, right? That's wrong button. This actually looks pretty good for more upside. So the green candle would do this, so it windmills this. It cleared all that projected here. Okay, I'm glad I took that. We are up $130 for the day. See, now that I took it early, I'm going to wait for the next signal. If it's another buy, I might buy again. But if it's a sell signal like this would be exiting this trade, I'll wait for the next signal after that to jump in. I think I saw somebody doing Soul, maybe. I would have round tripped that, glad I got out. Something seemed fishy about that pump. So basically, I'm looking for 15-minute candles that with expansion, right? And then ride those 15-minute candles to points of interest. These aren't really good examples of it. This 15-minute maybe. Look at that. Nice call on the 15. Okay, Trump was just meeting with the Chinese, and it was a good meeting. This is what that pump was. So there you go. Actually, that was great timing. Pickle on the NQ. That candle there was some good news coming out about trade relations between U.S. and China. Nothing major. Yeah. So this was just that was the news. That was a little news candle that happened when it just exploded up. You'll see those. Sometimes they're more violent than that. It's like you willed that into existence, Pickle. You willed that news event into existence. Um, journaling. No. Let me look up. I can always jump back into Trade of 8 and look. Oh crap! Nothing's on. Okay. I have to go jump on my other computer to do that, but I can jump back and I can look at how many uh, all the ads are and add those up. I should be doing a better job of journaling it. This is a great continuation. Oh, but it didn't make a wick on this. Oh, there's a little one. Yeah, that's Peter. That's what I was doing. It's just basically like going back and finding big errors like this one and seeing if they come out in profit. It did, and just go back and like maybe replay this one, replay this one, replay this one, replay this one. There's just no follow through today, guys. It is just Chop City. No follow through. That could be the 15-minute high right there. It's crazy how much you can like predict how close you can predict what the market's going to do for the day by the opening. Today's opening. This didn't run at all, so you figure it's just going to chop. So that's why I jumped in. As you see, I'm still charting, half keeping an eye out to see if I need to jump in on my funded accounts or not. With all you guys watching, it's too much pressure. Yeah, NB, TNB. It's freaking awesome. Nice little community we got going. That's Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's yank. Crypto's red. Anybody selling their CAS? Yeah, T, that's fine. This candle threw the algorithm off. And that's going to happen. Traders need to take responsibility for their own trades at some point too. Know that this candle was like I said, this candle was suspicious. I didn't know about the news until after it. So I got out because it could have just, and it did, rerun all the way back to entry. Really recommend E-Trades if you're trading ICT. His videos are some of the best tutorials out there. His model is the model that I've been playing for about a year and a half. So if you look up T-Trade's fractal model, that's what I play. I play the 15-1 fractal model. And all you do is wait for it to come up. Today would have been hard on the model though, because this one I probably no, not really. It's so messy. Look at this whole mess. Like here, might have been able to catch a short here, right? That's probably the best trade that I see so far today for the fractal model. We'll go over that while we're waiting for it to print another signal. Took out some liquidity here, not much of it. And then we had a change of delivery here. I'm just going to turn off this indicator real quick. Let's hide it. Change in the delivery here. Left the fair value gap. Came in close below. So there's a few different ways you could play this. You could play this off of... Oh man, it's signaling. Yeah, everything's taking a shit right now. It's gonna pull back after that pump. Oh, don't leave without me.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll let that play out. I'll go back over here. Break a structure here. Created a swing. Broke structure with a fair value gap in it. Tapped in the fair value gap and tanked, right? So how would I frame this? What would I do? If it wasn't as choppy as it was, I might have played this. But just the choppiness of today is not fun. So you could have done it a few ways. Put your buy on the order block here that was formed. These up close candles. Play it to this wick here. Protected swing there. 1.5. That's not the greatest. So you could also, if you're not getting a good risk reward, then move it up to the fair value gap. And now my risk reward is right, 2 to 1. Now we can get that play in. And I'll go over that Saturday I'll go over many examples on the Saturday. As you see, this wick was that 50-minute top, right? So you basically played this entire 15-minute candle down. Oh, you can't add in this chat? We're making a swing low here. That would be really nice. Still think it wants down though. I should be more focused on sells. No gaps. This gap here, it's been run. Here's an example of the fractal model kind of breaking down right here. It broke this structure. Oh, another buy signal. Every time I wanted to show something. I never know if I want to add when it's this close to my entry already. Because all it does is add risk. It doesn't really bring down my average price. Not that much. Yeah, you definitely could. Peter, yeah, the ratio to get out of a trade, you could master leverage it, right? You could add more than 1% to try to get out of that position. Okay, where was I? So, okay, this was the breaker structure with a swing low. And then it failed. It didn't finish above this one. Or close above this one. It did here. But then you have to look at, that's why you look at the 15. This was definitely a swing low of this one. So how far is this going to pump into this candle? So that's why I got out of that trade up here, because I don't think it was going to railroad. That sometimes it does, but it already went down, it already went up. New 15, yes. So you don't mind adding here because this will bring down my average buy. Are you talking about being able to tag in the Discord? Oh, here, that's weird. I have no idea. Maybe because my channel's so small.
Order filled.
This will probably be my last trade. It's coming up to 11:30. So make it a banger. Let's go. TU still here. I'm wondering if there's a way to hide. Ice some iced coffee. Melted. Push it. Let's go. Again, gonna be hard to get through here, right? Well, I might just take this in. Levels I'm looking at here. Not fair value gap, maybe. But I'll be right off that. Push it. Nope. It's still bearish. Gold printed. Guys, I just got a text spam that you all will want. We're about to issue a trading signal for a stock expected to rise 40 to 70%. Reply yes now to receive the signal for free. You guys want me to forward that to the group? It's actually the first stock spam text I've gotten. Oh, look at that. What the hell just happened? Yeah. Type yes. Well, all we need to do to verify your identity is have your driver's license and social security number texted over to this overseas number. Big FU candle. Here we go. Y'all remember when Lifer used to trade news and you would call the candles there that were green God candles, but it was just a news event that pumped it? Anyway, those were good days. I don't like that rejection though. Just reading the Discord real quick. That's kind of funny. Oh, what's the ticker? Caps. You're talking to me. I don't know. I have to reply yes, Caps. I have to opt into their text messages. Here, I'll just send me your phone number and DM Caps, and I'll just forward you this text, and you can ask for the ticker. I guess it's some Chinese penny stock that they're gonna rug. Have a good one, T. I'm about to end it once we get a profit in this one. It's always the last one that takes forever. It's like, oh, this is gonna be the last one, and then it takes an hour and a half. We have like 2 minutes left on this 15-minute. New 15-minute will print. Hopefully we get some action up through here off the open. 15-minute is, I'm at 5 minutes bullish. This 15-minute might start flashing. That's crazy. TBM, was that on NASDAQ or was that Bitcoin? That's awesome. Sure. Boom. Click it, and you're done. That's it. Talk to T about the only setting I really talked to him about. Oops, did I miss a buy signal? Hold on.
Order filled.
The only setting is I don't use volume confirmation because I'm on the 1 minute. No, I didn't change anything. I just made sure this wasn't clicked. Okay, there's the wick. Now go. Like I said, it's coming to this. Usually stops short, comes up, comes back down. You're welcome. Yeah, T can give you that for sure. Yeah, there's not much. He has it, so it's good to go outside right out of the box, I think. No wick on this candle on the 15 minute. Yeah, I'm going to guess you're going to have pretty good results with anything that has good volume. ETH, Sol. Don't trust me to go back and back test everything, but ETH, Sol, Bitcoin, anything that has large volume to it. I've not tried gold yet, no. Should have opened up my funded and put a short in up here and just let it run. And here I've been longing the whole time when I had a short bias. I'm going to exit the trade sooner. If it gets up in here, I think I'm going to exit it and call it good for the day. And watch this one be the runner that bangs out 300-400. Get above here. You want it. Get above it. Every so often, I'll let you guys know that you would have been in profit if you took my trade, and I'll blame the indicator if I lose a trade. then you guys can feel right at home. Let's go. Let's get above that. No wick. Come on, take it out. Take it out with force. A lot harder than that. God damn it. Go. Don't create a swing. Like I said, it's always the last one, so I'm just going to do one more. And it takes forever, but I do like that I'm in 3. And this looks like it could be a reverse, a swing on the 15. Take out the 5-minute high. Okay, took out that 5-minute high. Nice, let's go. Rejected. Now take out the 5-minute high again. Get up there. If it gets up somewhere in here, I'm going to take it. That's where I'm going to take it. Like maybe 50% of that wick. Go to there. Now I'm looking for it to take out this. Retest here is fine. This is sloppy as shit. No follow through. Oh, look at this 15-minute candle. It's closing back inside of the range of this candle. Well, we have 5 more minutes. Calm. It's using my average buy as resistance. What are we getting stuck on? Not even that wick. It's not even getting up to that wick. Let's go. Let's push through. Let's get to the purple. Oh, this is another line that I'd want it to close above. If noticed here, this will be, it's a continuation pattern. It did, it closed above that. It's hard to tell, close above my entry, which is also a breaking structure, so that would be a nice little setup for a trade here. Little scalpy poo. Continuation pattern, created a swing here. That was the low. Pumping up to this level here. What's the magic number? What do you mean? Right now this trade is until I'm tired of it. Which is probably right about now. Oh, sorry. Okay, I said if I got to there, I was going to take it, and I will.
Order filled.
Another $50 win. And I think it's going to keep, it could keep on going. This could be, I mean, classic. This, actually, I really should have been trading this live. Broke structure, made a nice swing low here, broke this structure. This is now protected. So we go with a long off of here. Put it on that protected low there. And maybe, let's see, there's a 1 minute fair value gap over here. How's that look on the 15? That's bumping high into the 15. I would have to bust through that order block. So maybe, what's the risk reward there? That's 1 to 2 right there. So that's kind of framing the trade that I would take normally. It broke this structure here too, so it broke multiple structures here, broke here. That's really bullish. It's now disrespecting all of the levels. But we're in a weird day where it's just been a grind down too, right? A grind down, chop, grind down, chop, grind down, chop. But it looks like we're getting the follow through from here. This would have been a nice trade for me. Yeah, it's a few thousand if it hits. That would have been a few thousand if I took it on my funded. Now I want to see this play out, but this looks hard. Let's get about 50% of that wick. Which we're at right now. Well, that would have been a banger trade. But I had no confidence in action today, so I really wouldn't have taken this. Oh, she's gonna hit, isn't she? Son of a bitch. Look at that. Nice. Indicators on sides with what I had in mind too. Oh, what hit target. With no drawdown. And that's why I like the fractal model. You really can predict the bottom of this 15-minute candle and then ride the, if you get an expansion candle, you just ride it to the end of the 15 minutes, which is in 30 seconds. So sell it now. Okay guys, I will see you in Discord and I'll stream some other time, maybe this weekend, doing Bitcoin. See you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, I just saw Peter's question. I'll get it. Yeah, let's continue the conversation in Discord. Awesome, guys. Take care.